Hey, what is up, guys? It's Skye here. I am currently looking for my cat, Kevin. He's not lost. He's just playing with a dead bird. Yeah, I know, right? I'm pretty sure he's right. There you are, you. Hey, Kevin. How you doing? Yeah. Okay, Kevin has recently started killing things. This is his second bird, his second kill in his lifetime, unless you count eating a locust in front of me. That was very traumatizing. It was very sad. I'm going to just update you guys too. I am doing a Tiger Star Golden Flower animation, and yes, it will take a long time. I am making good progress though. Oh, Kevin. What? Are you angry at me? It will take a long time, guys. It just rained. You can tell. It's pretty gray in the sky right now. I don't think Kevin's gonna let me come any closer. He's very protective of his kills. I'm waiting for him to do a mouth. Something that will actually be helpful. And then I just figured out I couldn't live stream because I have the wrong materials for it. But I can do animations, so expect that, yes. What else is there? Well, let's see if I can lure Kevin away from his bird. Kevin, hey. Kevin, come here. Come here. There we go. No more dead bird, okay? No more. It's just nasty. No, Kevin. No. Okay. Oh, he's growling at me. I don't know if you guys hear that, but he's growling at me. Growling at me? He's growling at me. Well, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, because this is actually kind of funny. Oh, yeah. I can. Oh. Closer look. Wait, where is it? Kevin, where's the bird? He won't let me see the dang bird. That's Kevin for you. Can you say hi? Yeah. Oh. Well, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys because this is actually really funny. I'm probably going to post hey, come check out my YouTube video on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. I am Skybird05. Same thing on Musical.ly. My old account is SkyTheBomb5166, but that I can't upload on that anymore. But if you want to see some originals from me, go there. I feature a few people on there. So, not very famous ones, just my friends and family. Oh my god, did I see that? He flipped it! New cat line. Also, guys, I need a lot of support for what I'm about to ask you. So I am wondering if I should show you guys my song. I like to create a lot of songs, and some of them are just kind of stupid, and then others I think are okay. And I came across this one creation, it, kind of like a shower song. But it turned out to be really good, and I kind of want to show it to you guys. So tell me your thoughts on that, too. Also, go check out Staples Plays on Instagram, Moji12, I think. I don't know how you pronounce that. I don't know. Well, yeah. That's Kevin for you. And he's just being Kevin. What was that? Okay, well, oh, thunder. Okay. I'm gonna get a close up real quick. Come here. Come here. Ah, say hi. Hi. Okay. Hold on, guys. Mwah. I don't know how that turned out because I just covered with dead grass. He won't notice it. There. I covered it with dead grass. Maybe now he won't. You know where it is. Oh yeah, he does. Well, that's it, guys. Hey, it's Skye, and it's Kevin, and it's a dead bird, and I'm